Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a product to share with you all, and this is something that's yummy and delicious and I'm sure all of you love it. So what I have with me today is I have Medjood dates. Now Medjood dates are Medjood dates, and these are organic and not rehydrated dates, so they're natural right from the source. So let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside, because I'm sure you all are excited. Now look at that. Look how huge those dates are. They're really huge, like 2 inches in length. So I'm going to give it a taste. Wow. They taste creamy. They're not too sweet. It still contains the pit. It's really delicious. Wow, somebody wants one. Guys, these are the most delicious dates that I've tasted thus far. These dates are not like those regular dates. These are the very premium dates. So if you guys love dates and you would love to try these organic dates, I'll leave the information in the description box for it. You can go to www.medjooddays.com. So I'll link it in the description box for you all. Just look how packed this box is. And when I tell you it's heavy, it's really heavy. So you're going to get your money's worth. You're going to get premium quality dates shipped directly to the comfort of your home, so you don't have to leave your house. So if you guys make this purchase, let me know. Buy it for a friend, buy it for your loved ones, buy it as a gift for someone. I am sure they will be very much appreciative. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Now go purchase this and let me know what you think. Bye.